Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a cut in VSDC Video Editor. So now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. Okay, so here we have our project. So let's import a video. Let me show you how you can make a cut. And if you want to add a video, you can click here on this icon. And now just select the video you like to import from a cursor position. Okay, and here we have our video. If you want to make a cut, it's very simple. Just move the where you want to make the cut, and then go to editor, and here you click on this button, or you press on your keyboard the shortcut Control K, Control plus K, and you made a cut, as you can see here. And that's how you make a cut in this video editor. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate that, and it will help a lot this small YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.